And today we're going to do a Halloween special of Cooking Club. So today we are going to be making some pumpkin muffins! Woo! Yeah, this is going to be really exciting because I've never really tried pumpkin before. So the ingredients you're going to need to make these delicious snacks are 2 1/4 cups of plain flour,
2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have any, then just make some at home using cinnamon, nutmeg and ginger.
2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder,
3/4 teaspoon of salt,
1 cup of milk,
3/4 cup of tinned pumpkin.
You will need 1/2 cup of some light brown sugar,
4 tablespoons of melted butter,
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract,
2 large eggs.
First thing you're going to do to make these hopefully delicious muffins is set your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt and baking powder and the pumpkin spice.
So for the next thing, we are going to, in a medium bowl with a wire like whisk thing, we are going to put in the butter, which we are going to melt, the eggs, the pumpkin, the brown sugar, the milk and the vanilla essence. Make sure before you microwave your butter that it is a microwavable dish that is going in the microwave.
Well, you want your mixture to look.
Yeah, so ours is kind of like a bit like a thick sort of lentil soup. I don't know.
It looks quite
gross, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we are going to add in our big bowl of flour into this pumpkin like liquidy bowl. So yeah. Now we have the batter ready and we are going to put these into some muffin trays. And we have 12 here, so we are going to put some cases into these and fill them up with some batter.
I hope these taste good.
These are our pumpkin muffins and we are now just going to put in the oven, which is, if you have forgotten, at 190 degrees Celsius. So they are now going into the oven for like, the recipe said 25 to 30 minutes.
That's a long time.
Yeah, so I think I might put them in for like 12. Halloween pumpkins are We're going to get started on making your delicious cream cheese
Frosting.
Cream cheese frosting.
And for this you will need butter and some soft cream cheese.
And some icing sugar, I think, and some vanilla extract, and we will get the measurements to you. You are going to need 2 tablespoons of butter.
And some cream cheese.
Yeah, 4 ounces of that, to be precise. And by the way, it is 1 cup of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. What you're going to do is, with an electric whisk, beat in the butter and the cream cheese together, and then add in like the icing sugar and the vanilla extract to make it like nice and fluffy. So the muffins are ready to come out. They are so gigantic because we put in too much baking powder. They look epic. Now we are going to transfer these mega big muffins onto some cooling racks. Our Halloween sweet treats have been cooling for roughly 10 minutes now, and we are going to put this delicious spooky icing on them. And yes. By the way, guys, we are just leaving the muffins to cool for roughly 10 minutes so that the icing doesn't like
Melt.
melt.
So we've got our cakes here and they look so good. We can't wait to try them.
Yeah.
So.
And it's super dark outside, yes. And it is 5:45. So yeah.
That's just like normal British autumn time, unfortunately.
Right, we're gonna try now.
See, it's good, but I think the icing is that possible.
Yeah, it's really nice though. I like them.
See, for me, it's not really for me because I don't really like the pumpkin in them.
They're quite fluttery, but they're really nice. And they're really light as well, and they're massive. Because we put tons of baking powder in them.
So if you want big ones, then you've got to do that.
They are epic, genuinely. I love them so much. I will probably make these again, maybe. They're like, they're really quite easy. Take a wee while, but they're worth it, totally.
Yeah.
Yeah. So make sure to subscribe to our channel down below for more like content like this, and comment down below what you'd like to see on your channel. Make sure to give this video a massive big thumbs up and to comment down below like if you've tried this, if you've tried our other cream club recipes, what you'd like to see. So yeah, make sure to do all of that right now. We'll see you all next Friday. Bye!